So this is awesome. I just was at the end of my trail and I saw a beautiful red-headed woodpecker over there. What was so amazing is a lot of times you get within 50 to 100 feet of them and they're so skittish, they just run right off. This guy was foraging in some broken bark and a trunk on the ground that was rotted out. He was obviously trying to feed. I didn't want to bother him, so I was staying relatively far away. But then I was able to get closer and closer and closer. I was within, again, I would say probably 8 to 10 feet, maybe 6 feet away from him. It was stunning. I'm going to show you the footage really quickly. I think you're going to love it. I was enthralled because I really felt like I was a part of his day. So anyway, man, what a great way to end it. What a really great way to end an amazing walk at People's Island. See ya.